Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys. And if you need to find the wipers for the relay for the front wipers, stay with us. We'll explain, guys, where it's located. You actually have two relays that you need to check, and we'll share how you can test the relays as well. That should work on Ford C-Max from year 2012 to year 2019. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So, on your Ford C-Max you have three different fuse boxes. One is located under the hood, one is on the passenger side behind the glove box, one in the trunk. We have a special video that explains the exact location if you need it, but we'll be working only under the hood today, guys. And if you look here under the hood, let's show you what we have specifically here. This is, you can see, this is the fuse box right here in the corner. This is the lid that we removed, that lid. If you look at it, all we have to do, open it. Right here there is one thing on the back side that you're going to pry up a little bit, and you will pull the lid out. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but it's doable. Good news, you have the fuse numbers, okay, and the layout here corresponds to what we have there. Bad news, it doesn't tell you actually what those fuses and relays are for. So that's why we're making those videos, guys, to help you if you're in a situation that, let's say, you need something, and that's why we'll be making all the videos for fuses and relays. So we're looking at relay number 4 is the first relay we need to check. Relay number 4, okay, if you come right here, it's that relay for the front wipers right here, okay, and then you have one more relay that you may have or you may not have, guys, and that relay, okay, check it out now. We need to come all the way to relay number 6 right here, okay, this one there. So check these two relays. If you want to see how to test a relay or a fuse, we'll put a link in the description of the video below that will teach you guys, okay, how to do that step by step. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.